Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll learn how to divide your only C drive into multiple partitions. Before making changes, ensure all important files are backed up. Right-click on the Start menu and select Disk Management. Right-click on the C drive and choose Shrink Volume, and wait minutes. Then specify the amount of space to allocate for the new partition. Click on Shrink. Right-click on the unallocated space and select New Simple Volume. Follow the wizard to create the new drive. Choose a letter for your new drive and click Next. Select the format file system type, volume label, and etc. Click on Next, then Finish button to complete the setup. In the prompt window, click on Open Folder to view files. The partition is ready for use now. When it's not needed, to merge them together, follow these steps, press 1+ or shortcut key, and type diskmount.msc in the Run dialog, and press Enter. Right-click one of the volume, select Delete Volume. When it prompts you that this operation will erase all data on it, click on Yes. Then the volume becomes an unallocated volume. Right-click the another drive, select Extend Volume, click Next, and follow the wizard to combine them together. Now you know how to safely partition and merge your hard drive. This simple process can protect your data and improve organization. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.